Hello guys, in this video I am going to review the top 5 best Christmas Santa hat for kids just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best Christmas Santa hat for kids to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So let's get started.
Product number 1. How Mau Mau Christmas Hats. How Mau Mau Christmas hats are designed with comfort and durability in mind, making them a popular choice for kids' holiday wear. Crafted from soft, plush fabric with a smooth inner lining, these hats feel gentle on sensitive skin and can be worn for hours without irritation. The classic red and white design stays true to traditional Christmas style, while the well-proportioned pom-pom adds a playful touch kids enjoy. Build quality is a strong point, with reinforced seams that help the hat hold its shape even after repeated use. The fit is roomy enough for most children, yet secure enough to stay in place during school events, parties, or family photos. These hats are also lightweight, so kids won't feel weighed down. Considering the balance of comfort, festive appeal, and durability, How Mau Mau Christmas hats offer solid value for parents seeking a reliable, reusable Santa hat for the holiday season. Product number 2. RJVW Christmas Santa Hat for Kids and Baby. The RJVW Christmas Santa Hat for Kids and Baby is an excellent option for parents shopping for younger children. Made from ultra-soft velvet-style fabric, it prioritizes comfort and safety, which is especially important for babies and toddlers. The fabric is breathable and gentle, helping prevent itching or overheating during wear. This hat features careful sizing that fits smaller heads snugly without feeling tight. The fluffy white trim is neatly stitched, reducing the risk of loose fibers, while the pom-pom is securely attached for peace of mind. Its lightweight build makes it suitable for short outings, holiday photos, or cozy indoor celebrations. While the design is simple, it delivers exactly what parents need: softness, reliability, and ease of use. For families with babies or very young kids, this Santa hat provides excellent value and stress-free festive dressing. Product number 3. Bosoner Santa Hat. Bosoner Santa Hat stands out for its premium feel and slightly thicker construction. Designed for active kids, it uses high-quality plush material that feels warm without being overly heavy. The stitching is strong and consistent, giving the hat a more structured look that doesn't collapse or lose shape easily. The design leans toward a classic Santa style, making it suitable for school performances, Christmas plays, and family gatherings. It fits most kids comfortably and stays in place even when children are moving around. The white trim is dense and fluffy, adding to its visual appeal, while the interior remains smooth against the skin. Although priced slightly higher than basic hats, the durability and polished finish justify the cost. It's a great choice for parents who want a Santa hat that looks good year after year.
Product number 4. Christmas Hat. This standard Christmas hat offers a straightforward, no-frills option for families looking for a traditional kid's Santa hat. Typically made from soft felt or plush fabric, it delivers the familiar red body with white trim and pom-pom that children instantly recognize. The lightweight design makes it easy for kids to wear during parties, classroom events, or quick holiday outings. While the materials may not be as thick or luxurious as premium options, the hat is comfortable enough for short-term wear and festive fun. The fit generally suits most children, though it may be less structured than higher-end models. This type of Christmas hat is best for casual use or one-season wear. If you're looking for an affordable, simple solution that captures the holiday spirit without extra features, this option offers good basic value.
Product number 5. MG Party Kids Light Up Santa Hat. The MG Party Kids Light Up Santa Hat adds an exciting twist to the traditional Santa hat with built-in LED lights. Kids love the glowing effect, which makes this hat a standout choice for evening events, Christmas parties, and school celebrations. Despite the added electronics, the hat remains lightweight and comfortable, with soft fabric that doesn't irritate the skin. The lights are discreetly integrated into the design and powered by a small battery pack that's easy to manage. Build quality is solid, ensuring the wiring stays secure during normal use. The festive layout combines classic Santa styling with modern fun, making it especially appealing to older kids. While it may cost more than a standard hat, the interactive feature and visual impact make it a fun, memorable accessory that delivers excellent holiday value.